how to download all your photos at once in Google Drive. So hello guys, in this key tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First of all, you guys will open Google Drive app. So I will go to Drive. Now here you guys will see a lot of files. So the question is how you can download all your photos at once. So for example, here is like 100 of my pics, so 200 of pics. So how I can download for that, I will simply hold on any photo. For example, I'm holding on that one file. After that, you guys will see on right side like check mark type circle. So you will simply click on this circle. Like select the circle that are with the photos. Once you select all circles, after that, you guys will see on top right corner 3 dots. So simply click on that. Here you guys will see download option. So simply click on download option. So once you click on download option, your all selected files or photos will be downloaded. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.